This is what we'll be making in today's tutorial. Let's hop right on. Let's start setting up the flashlight. First, go to the project settings and then go to the input map and add the flashlight. And then press the plus and hit the button that you want to use. In my case, I'm gonna use the F to toggle the flashlight. And then you're gonna add the spotlight to be the flashlight. You can rename it to flashlight. And now you can customize it to whatever. You can change the range, or you can change the range, the angle. But what I recommend to you is turn on the shadow and make the light to yellow if you're making a horror game. And now let's start with the first line of code. You go to the code here of the player you have, and up here you will add a onReady var. Add the flashlight, and then to make it you're gonna drag it and then hold control and then release to automatically make this onReady var. And then make a var for the flashlight, so it starts with the false. So this means that the flashlight will start off, and then when you press the F it will toggle it. And now for toggling flashlight, we just have a simple code right here. When you press the flashlight input map, it will toggle the flashlight, and that's basically it. But if you want to make it better, you can add sound, as I will explain now. But before we go to the sound section, we'll just make sure that it's working. So you'll disable this toggle visibility, the flashlight, and then turn it on. So as you can see, it's working. So the flashlight sound is so easy. You'll just go to the player, then add it to stream player, name to whatever, and then you'll add the sound from your file system, and you can play with this, but I don't know. After that you go to the script, go up, and then the same thing. You just drag it, hold control, and release it. And now you'll go down to the flashlight, type flashlight sound to play it, and that's it. You will try it, and working. Make sure to subscribe and join my Discord. Link is in the description. Bye.